In this video today, I'm just going to show you how to set up a automated CDL valve and hook it into our I/O controller. So there's two wires that come out of our box for our valve. If I push this in, it manually opens the valve. Push it out, it's an automatic. Put these together, obviously it's gonna open back up. So this I/O controller acts as a relay. So I'm gonna hook into the normally open one and the common one, and then this allows to remotely open and close this valve with a cell phone or anywhere as you have internet. Just pop that out. And that's how you hook up a automated Belimo valve from CDL.